Hello, my name is TJ. What is your name?
My name is Zakir.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, sir. Zakir. Zakir.
And where do you come from?
I come.
And what's your name?
My name is Amina.
Can you spell it for me, please?
Yes, sir. Amina, Amina.
Thank you. And where do you come from?
I come from.
Okay. Now in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. All right? So, Zakir, do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a flat.
Is it a big place?
Yes, it is a big place.
So, what do you like about living there?
It is a nicely decorated flat and located in a peaceful residential area.
So, is there a garden in the place where you live?
No, there is no garden.
Okay. So, Amina, what is your favorite room in your home?
My bedroom is my favorite room in my home.
So, how decorated is your bedroom?
It is decorated with colorful stones and wood.
So, do you like visitors coming to your home?
Yes, I like visitors coming to my home.
So, Zakir, do you use computers?
Yes, I use computer.
So, what do you use computers for?
I use computer to send emails.
So, do people in your country use computers?
Yes, people use computer in my country.
So, Amina, do you use the internet?
I use internet every day.
So, what do you use the internet for?
I use internet to connect my family and friends.
And what is your favorite website?
My favorite website is UKSE.com.
Okay, thank you. Now in this part, I would like you to ask each other some questions. Zakir, I would like you to ask Amina about a sport she wants to try. And Amina, I would like you to ask Zakir about what he does on his birthday. Now think about the questions you want to ask. You have 1.5 minutes. You can write down your questions if you want to. So Zakir, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your questions now.
Which sport do you want to try?
I want to try tennis.
Why do you want to try this sport?
I want to try this sport because it seems enjoyable.
When do you want to try this sport?
I want to try this sport next week.
With whom do you want to try this sport?
I want to try this sport with my friends.
Where do you want to try this sport?
I want to try this sport in our local field.
How long do you want to try this sport?
I want to try this sport whole afternoon.
How easy is this sport?
It is quite easy sports because people play with the ball.
How do you know about this sport?
I watched this sport on TV.
Why do you find this sport enjoyable?
I find this sport enjoyable because it is a team sport and easy to play.
Why do you find this sport enjoyable?
I find this sport enjoyable because it is team sports and easy to play.
Thank you. Amina, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your questions now.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 5th May.
What do you do on your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday and I arrange a birthday party.
Why do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday to enjoy my birthday.
With whom do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday with my friends and family.
What do you do to celebrate your birthday?
I invite my friends to my home. I decorate my home and I prepare a good food on my birthday.
Where do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday at home.
What do you like doing most on your birthday?
I like cutting a birthday cake on my birthday, and I spending time with my friends and family.
Do you wear special clothes on your birthday?
Yes, I wear a special cloth on my birthday.
Do you receive gifts on your birthday?
Yes, I receive gift on my birthday.
Okay, thank you. Now in this part, you are going to listen to 2 recordings and answer some questions. You hear 2 people are talking about their plans for the weekend. Where do they want to go at the weekend? To a town, to the mountains, and to the park. Now listen to the information.
Recording 1. I want to go to Littlegate this weekend. My cousin lives there, and there are shops, a cinema, and great restaurants. It's easy to get there. A return ticket by train only costs £7. There's a brilliant market too, and we want to go there to buy some jeans. Recording 2.
I want to spend the weekend there with my friends. We usually go there in winter to ski, but this time we want to climb to the top. It takes about 4 hours, but then you can look down on the sea. I just hope my new boots are comfortable.
Thank you. Now in the first recording, Zakir, where does the woman want to go at the weekend? To a town, to the mountains, or to the park?
To a town.
Thank you. In the second recording, Amina, where does the man want to go at the weekend? To a town, to the mountains, or to the park?
To the mountains.
Now in this part of the test, you are going to listen to the recordings again and answer some questions. So Amina, in the first recording, who can the woman see in Littlegate and how much is a return ticket? In the second recording, Zakir, how many hours does it take to climb the mountain and what is the man worried about? Now listen to the recordings again.
Recording 1. I want to go to Littlegate this weekend. My cousin lives there, and there are shops, a cinema, and great restaurants. It's easy to get there. A return ticket by train only costs £7. There's a brilliant market too, and we want to go there to buy some jeans. Recording 2.
I want to spend the weekend there with my friends. We usually go there in winter to ski, but this time we want to climb to the top. It takes about 4 hours, but then you can look down on the sea. I just hope my new boots are comfortable.
Okay, Amina, in the first recording, who can the woman see in Littlegate?
Her cousin.
Okay, and how much is a return ticket?
£7.
Okay, thank you. Zakir, in the second recording, how many hours does it take to climb the mountain?
4 hours.
And what is the man worried about?
His new boots.
Now in this part of the test, you are going to talk together about the things that you do to keep fit. So talk together about the things that you like to do and how often you do this to keep fit.
I exercise to keep fit. What do you do to keep fit?
I walk every day to keep fit. How long do you exercise to keep fit?
I exercise for 2 hours to keep fit. How long do you walk to keep fit?
I walk for 1 hour to keep fit. What kind of exercise do you do to keep fit?
I run and lift weight to keep fit. Why do you walk to keep fit?
It is an easy exercise and I enjoy walking. Do you do anything else to keep fit?
Yes, I eat healthy foods to keep fit. What about you?
I also try to eat good food and play sports to keep fit.
What sports do you play to keep fit?
I play volleyball or badminton. What do you eat to keep fit?
I eat spinach foods, vegetable to keep fit. Do you eat these kinds of food to keep fit?
Yes, I do. These food are good for keeping fit.
Okay, thank you. That's the end of the test.